In this video, we will analyze the parts that are causes this type of failures, so annoying and that sometimes we are presented in our car. I remind you to do maintenance to the car. Have everything adjusted is essential for the proper functioning of the parts, but as most of the time it is a problem in the mixture of air and fuel, a small misadjustment can cause all these failures that we will see in cars. The parts that cause the engine to vibrate and lose power are, first of all, the spark plugs. If you have not changed the spark plugs for a long time and you have not cleaned them for a long time, you should do a deep cleaning. Adjust the electrode so that the spark can burn all the gasoline that is produced. When the spark plug is not able to burn the gasoline, it will turn black and full of oisin in a matter of minutes, having to take it out and clean it again. This would be the simplest maintenance that you can do. The second thing would be to check the throttle body. This piece is in charge of opening so that its maintenance should be done by a specialist, because if the cover is dirty or does not open, it means that some parts need to be replaced. Since the air is not entering, and for this reason is that it loses power at high speed, the car can turn off and will not support the idle, among other problems. The third would be to check the map sensor. This sensor is related to the fuel failures. If the map sensor is faulty, its reading will be erroneous. It may send too much fuel. The good thing is that you can service it yourself, just remove it, clean it, and replace it. The fourth would be to check the PSB valve. This is the valve that controls the pressure inside the engine. A failure in the PSB valve can cause vibrations, loss of oil, and loss of power. The advantage is that it is quite visible in the engine block. And it is too cheap to buy it and change it too. To test it, you just have to shake it, and if you hear a rattle, it means it is working properly. Finally, you should check the air filter. It is recommended to change the air filter every 15,000 kilometers. If you notice that the filter is too dirty when you take it out, it may be responsible for the failures you are having. Of all the parts we mentioned, most of them can be serviced by yourself and you can change them yourself at home. I hope you liked the video, and if so, give me a like and subscribe to this channel. And if you have any faults, leave them in the comments. See you in the next video.